Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find and replace text in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your design in Canva. Once your design loads and you can see your project on the screen, direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface. You'll notice the menu bar there where you need to click on File. This is where you'll access important document-level features that apply to your entire design. After clicking File, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for and select Find and Replace Text. This feature is incredibly useful when you're working with large designs that contain multiple text elements and need to update specific words or phrases throughout. It saves you from manually hunting down each instance and editing them one by one. Now here's a quick tip. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can skip the menu entirely and simply press Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac to open this same panel instantly. Once the Find and Replace panel opens on your screen, you'll see the Find field at the top. Go ahead and type the exact text you want to locate in your design. For example, if you're updating a brand name or fixing a repeated typo, you'd enter that specific word or phrase here. The system will automatically search through all text elements in your design and highlight matches for you to review. Next, you can use the left and right arrows positioned beside the Find field to navigate through each match one by one. This allows you to see exactly where each instance appears in your design before making any changes. It's a helpful way to ensure you're only replacing the text you actually want to change and not accidentally modifying something else. Now in the Replace With field below, type the new text you want to use instead. This is what will appear in place of your original text. Additionally, if you need to be specific about capitalization, you can check the Match Case option. This ensures the tool only finds text that matches the exact capitalization you entered, which is useful when dealing with acronyms or proper nouns. At this point, you have two options for replacing your text. You can click Replace to change just one instance at a time, giving you full control over each individual replacement. Or, if you're confident and want to update everything at once, click Replace All. This will instantly change every instance of the text throughout your entire design, saving you significant time on larger projects. And there you have it. You've successfully found and replaced text in your Canva design. Once you're finished, simply close the panel to return to your normal editing view. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.